Happy Friday to you all. In today's video, we are going to be transforming this closet into a TV nook. I started by taking the doors off and the hardware that went along with doors and put that aside for later use. So I'm also going to take this time to say I'm sorry if you can hear any of the cicadas in the background. I live in an area where the 17-year cicadas have emerged, and man, they are everywhere. Do you live in an area where they're all out? Let me know in the comments below. Also, here's some sounds for you. Alright, now I'm patching up any holes that were left behind and waiting for it to dry so I can sand it. Hey, what's up guys? So I thought I'd stop in and break up the time lapses. Let you guys know I already painted this area here white and the ceiling white just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. This area is going to be used for my TV area, so enjoy and watching it all come together. And more time lapses. I decided to go ahead and paint the inside of the closet the same color as the walls in the bedroom and living room. Alright, the paint is all dry, and now it's just time to clean up the mess so I can move stuff in and get the TV set up. So let's try this. I've seen it happen on so many YouTube channels. I hope it works. So here we go. Wow. Don't you wish everything was that easy? So the reality of things. Actually moving stuff from one area to another area. I took the dresser out of this shower area that is no longer in use so I can use it for a TV stand. Let's see if this works. Alright, lights are on. Let's move the dresser in. That was easy. Let's go and get the TV in. Looks good. Let's take care of the lights. Done. For now. I want to add a few more things, but for now, it's looking good. So I just want to take a second. Wow. Don't you wish everything was that easy? Precious, are you going to be in the shot? You going to help me snap? Come here, Precious. But then you got to come again. Okay, I don't think you're in the shot.